Sometimes accidents or other situations cause a traumatic brain injury. A traumatic brain injury, or TBI, is an injury to the brain that causes functional difficulties of either a permanent or temporary nature. According to the Centers for Disease Control, TBIs are a major cause of death and disability for people in the United States, where this type of severe head injury contributes to about 30% of all injury deaths. About 2.8 million TBI-related emergency department visits, hospitalizations, and deaths occurred in the U.S. in 2013. For those who survive this type of injury, the profound effects can impact them for the remainder of their lives. Because the brain is so complex and no two accidents or injuries are alike, the symptoms can range widely. Brain injuries are classified from mild to severe, and symptoms can often be subtle and don't necessarily appear immediately. It can take days or weeks for symptoms to manifest. If you've had a head trauma, be on the lookout for any of the following: a change in attention span, ability to concentrate, or memory loss or impulsiveness, difficulty processing language, both understanding what's being said and also difficulty speaking clearly, slurred speech, difficulty reading or a change in speech patterns, vision loss, double vision, blurred vision, or intolerance to light, hearing loss, ringing in the ears or increased sensitivity to sound, emotional outbursts, irritability, aggression or sleep disorders, seizures or convulsions. A brain injury can change a person's personality forever, and therefore can have a fundamental impact on their relationships with family and friends. What causes a TBI? While head injuries should always be treated with precaution, not all bumps, jolts, or blows to the head will cause a TBI. Only when a head injury is serious enough to disrupt normal brain function is it considered a TBI. It doesn't necessarily take a major accident to impact brain function, and you don't necessarily have to be knocked unconscious to suffer a TBI. Common causes include motor vehicle accidents, slip and fall accidents, contact sports, football, rugby, boxing, non-contact sports like bicycling and gymnastics, workplace accidents, and assaults. A concussion is the mildest form of brain injury. Most injuries categorized as TBIs fall under this category. No two brain injuries are exactly alike. Some brain injury patients can no longer concentrate on complex tasks or solve intellectually demanding challenges, and therefore may be unable to hold a steady job. Other types of brain injury impact the brain's emotional center, so that an affected person is prone to outbursts that can be quite alarming. Other brain injuries can affect a patient's physical ability to walk or use their limbs, and therefore may significantly impact their quality of life in that way. The first thing to do if you suspect a brain injury is to seek medical help immediately. If you, a family member, or loved one has suffered a head injury that has led to changes in behavior, memory, or other brain functionality, you may have grounds for a legal case and may be entitled to compensation. These types of cases involve complex medical and legal issues, so if you believe a brain injury was caused by the negligence of another or due to a workplace injury, it's important to consult qualified and experienced personal injury and brain trauma lawyers, such as those at Commonwealth Law Group. Your ability to bring a legal case is dictated by the circumstances of the accident or injury. As personal injury attorneys, we offer a free initial consultation to discuss the details of your case. Some TBI cases result in a substantial damage award because the injuries can require lifelong care for the physical, emotional, and cognitive damage incurred by the brain. If your injuries prevent you from working or impact your ability to work at the same level as you could before the injury, you might be entitled to an award that compensates you for that loss. If you or a loved one or family member have suffered a head trauma due to a slip and fall, tractor-trailer accident, car accident, attack, or assault that resulted in a traumatic brain injury, contact the experienced brain injury attorneys at Commonwealth Law Group at 804-999-9999 for a free consultation to learn more about your legal options. We will fight to get you the justice you deserve. Justice starts at CLG.